In this video, I will show you how to scrape data with pagination using Byteline's web scraper. So we're gonna work on Coinbase prices, and here it's showing all the crypto coins in this table. And at the end, they have multiple pages. So we're gonna scrape data from multiple pages by using Byteline's web scraper. So let's build our flow. I'm gonna call it pagination flow, and you trigger. Let's just pick scheduler, and I'm gonna configure scheduler with default settings. And now let's add the next node, which is web scraper. So let's configure it. The first thing is the URL, and then so to pick the data, I'm gonna use Byteline's Chrome extension for web scraping. I have already installed it, so let me enable. And all you have to do is, like, as you keep moving your cursor, is gonna highlight the elements that you can click to configure the scraping. So I want to get the name of the coin. So you take your cursor to that and double click, and then click on repeating element. Repeating because we want to get data from multiple coins as it's showing in a table. Um, and then so once you click copy from here, once you click repeating element from here, so come back here and just click on paste from Chrome extension. So that's gonna copy all the needed XPath to get the data. So the first element we got is the crypto coin's name, and the next thing is the symbol. And that way you can keep on clicking to get the elements that you need. Okay, so now comes the interesting part of configuring the pagination, which you can do through this section of the scraper. And all you have to do is, so go to the pagination section, and you are looking for this next arrow. So what you do is, so just double click on this and go to link, and because we want to get the link on, like, where to click to get to the next page. And then you have to pick single element here, because this is just a single element we are trying to get from there. And then come over here in the pagination XPath and then just paste the data there. Okay, so that's all you need, and just configure the number of pages depending upon your needs. I'm just gonna pick 3, and let's save and run. This is just a test run, but the flow will keep on running in the background based on your scheduler settings. Now the run is complete, so let's look into the data. So here are all the coins that we got, and all the data seems right. And let's look at the last 2 coins, 1inch and IOTX. Now let's go to the pages over here. So I just have to disable the Chrome extension so that I can click this button. Okay, so 1inch IOTX NEM, right? So that's the data that we got. So that's how the pagination works. And once you have the scrape data, you can export it into any of the Byteline supported integrations. And that's just a direct export. You don't have to download or anything. So we support multiple update tasks, including to Airtable, Webflow CMS, NAC. And with all of these update tasks, so we handle create, update, and delete operations just through a single task configuration, which makes it really simple to configure some of your update operations. Okay, thanks for watching the video.